up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an install of a shifter boot delete. I think that's the word. I'm not too sure. Well, I got the items from Black Flag. I'm gonna put their Instagram in the link in the description below, like always. And yeah, I think I'm the only one in South Africa that has this sort of thing. Just excuse the mess on the carpets and shit like that. I mean, it is my daily, so I'm just gonna remove this. It's coming out though. Oh wow. Alright, so you wanna take this out. The fuck is this thing? You wanna take that out like that. Take that whole thing off. And then this goes in there, a little spring. I think you put like the soft side, because this is more rough. Put the soft side in. So the problem is, this thing don't fit. Very interesting. Let me see if I can try force it. So it fits in there, but I need to get this thing to fit. So I'm gonna try stretch it over. Hope you can see it like that. Okay, there, sweet. I'll just fucking excuse my French. Stretch this thing over. Oh, there we go, sweet. And then that does this in there, so you can like shift nicely, I hope. And then this covers like that. Shit. Okay, sweet. Okay, now it's locked in. Let me give you the. And yeah, boy, that looks sick. And then put back my shift knob. And yeah, boy. How'd you like that? Yeah, boy. Please turn on the post notification for the haters, because then you can get notified as soon as I upload the video, and you can dislike my video straight away. You know, I know you guys like that, so yeah. Please smash that subscribe button for me, and yeah, sweet. Cheers, man. Nice shaft, you know. Good shaft. And some beautiful gear knobs.